I didn't want to do a full spring cleaning this year, so instead what I'm doing is small resets around my home. I think sometimes we feel like in order to do a spring cleaning or a spring refresh, we need to do it all at one time, and that can become overwhelming, and that's what stops us from getting started at all. So instead, I think it's a lot easier just to grab 10 minutes, and over a series of days, you see significant progress. What I realized is that it's these drawers, surfaces that can really start to accumulate clutter and feel disorganized. So what I've been doing is what I'm calling a 10-minute edit. Just taking one small space at a time, taking everything out, deciding what still belongs there, and then putting everything back intentionally. And when I can see what I actually have, it means I can stop thinking that I need more. So I'm gonna walk you through a few of these small edits that I've done over the past couple of days. It's nothing major, but it really has made a big difference in how the house feels. It feels lighter and more organized. I started here because it felt simple. It was one small space. I wasn't using a lot of these, and a lot of them had already been burned down significantly to the point where I wouldn't be putting them out again. So they were just sitting there. This took maybe 10 minutes and everything feels much more organized, and I have an additional shelf now that I can use for my table linens. This is one of those spaces that I use every day. It's my coffee station, tea station, but I never really take the time to look at it, and things were just getting really junked up in both of the drawers here. So what I did is empty the drawers completely, put everything on my kitchen table, and start sorting items into categories. Once everything was all cleared out, it was so much easier to see what I had, and now I have removed all that friction, and I'm giving myself a calmer way to start each morning. So the method is really easy. I just empty the space, sort it, and then put things back intentionally to reset it. So this isn't really about cleaning as much as it is about deciding what stays. This area is my staircase landing on the second floor. I have a table with a drawer, and this is where everything just lands when I get upstairs after coming into the house or coming up from my office. And I think we all have at least one of these spaces in our home. I know it doesn't look like much, but it starts to affect how everything feels. And this was just becoming a very junked up area, and it was making me feel very uncomfortable. So now that it's reset, it's just calm. I categorize by my matches. I have a roll of tape, some air freshener things, and just one bin there that has screwdrivers and that kind of thing. And then I also have what it looks like now. I think it probably took less than 8 minutes. The next category I decided to tackle were my tops, t-shirts, and turtlenecks. So this basket is full of t-shirts that I found in the guest bedroom. They may not all be mine. Some of them might belong to my daughters who no longer live with me.
And this is where I realized that I had multiple versions of the same thing scattered throughout my house. I had them in my bedroom dresser, and also in my spare bedroom, I have a dresser where I had even more drawers full of tops. So because I couldn't see everything at once, I wasn't choosing or wearing at least half of these things. I was inclined to just reach for the ones that I could see most easily. This fits into an idea that I have around departments for things. It's the old adage, a place for everything and everything in its place. And the key here is to have one place for each thing, not multiple. So I consider them departments. And so now I have my top department, and it's located in my dresser drawer in my bedroom. It keeps things centralized and much easier to maintain. And when I do laundry, it makes it simple to put things away. And from a shopping perspective, if you have things throughout your home in different areas, then you never really know what you have necessarily, and you may be prone to purchase items multiple times or think that you need something that you really don't. So I've been trying to keep things more in one place, and I think of them as like mini.
And in this drawer, I have just a couple of almost bralettes, I would say, that you can wear as a tank top. And then I've got 2 tube tops. Then I've just got a few more sentimental things, graphic tees, some things I got on vacations, concerts, that sort of thing. One thing I am going to do is I'm going to hang all of these items. These are my more dressy t-shirts. See, it's completely full.
The coffee table was the easiest area to reset. It's always those flat surfaces that attract clutter, and I had trash and items that did not belong there. I just simply removed everything off the table, gave it a quick wipe down, and then restyled it quickly. I didn't add anything new. I just refined what was already there, and now it feels finished.
It's actually kind of surprising how much progress you can make in just 10 minutes a day. And then when you take 10 minutes a day and string that across several days, it adds up to a significant reset for your entire home. Your home starts to feel lighter, you feel more organized, and it just reduces that friction and stress, that low-lying stress that occurs when you go to make coffee or something. Is there a drawer or a place in your home that you could tackle? So it's not perfect, but it does feel better. So if you enjoy this kind of content, consider liking and subscribing. It means the world to me. And in the meantime, take care of yourself, take care of your future self, and have a lovely life. Bye.